Welcome to Body Sculpt, your channel for holistic wellness and personal transformation. In today's video, we will explore the transformative practice of Kundalini Yoga. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with yoga, Kundalini Yoga can help you tap into your inner power and unleash your full potential. So, let's dive in. Kundalini Yoga is a dynamic and powerful style of yoga that originated in ancient India. It focuses on awakening the dormant energy within us known as Kundalini, which resides at the base of our spine. By harnessing this energy, we can achieve heightened awareness, spiritual growth, and a profound sense of well-being. Kundalini energy is often depicted as a coiled serpent, representing our untapped potential. Through Kundalini Yoga practices, we aim to awaken this energy and allow it to rise through the energy centers of our body, known as chakras. As it moves upward, it clears blockages and harmonizes our physical, mental, and spiritual aspects. Kundalini Yoga combines various elements to facilitate the awakening of our Kundalini energy. These elements include asanas, postures. Kundalini Yoga incorporates a wide range of dynamic postures, focusing on specific energy centers and facilitating the flow of Kundalini energy. Pranayama, breathing techniques. Specialized breathing techniques such as breath of fire, alternate nostril breathing, and long deep breathing are integral to Kundalini Yoga. They help purify the body, calm the mind, and activate the Kundalini energy. Mantras, sacred sounds. Chanting mantras, such as Sat Nam, meaning truth is my identity, is a significant part of Kundalini Yoga. The vibrations produced by chanting resonate with our energy centers, helping to balance and align them. Mudras, hand gestures. Kundalini Yoga employs specific hand gestures that activate different areas of the brain, enhance energy flow, and deepen the meditative experience. Meditation. Kundalini Yoga incorporates various meditation techniques, including focused attention, visualization, and silent awareness. These practices help calm the mind, awaken higher consciousness, and deepen our connection to the divine. Engaging in a regular Kundalini Yoga practice offers numerous benefits for our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Some key benefits include enhanced energy and vitality. Kundalini Yoga helps to remove energy blockages, increase vitality, and rejuvenate the body. Stress relief. The combination of movement, breath work, and meditation in Kundalini Yoga promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and balances the nervous system. Emotional balance. Kundalini Yoga techniques work on the subtle energy body, helping to release emotional blockages and promote emotional stability. Increased awareness. Kundalini Yoga opens the doors to higher consciousness, expanding our awareness and perception of reality. Spiritual growth. With regular practice, Kundalini Yoga supports spiritual growth and connection to our higher selves, providing a sense of purpose and fulfillment. If you're intrigued by the transformative power of Kundalini Yoga and want to give it a try, here are a few steps to get started. Number 1. Find a Kundalini Yoga class or teacher. Look for a qualified Kundalini Yoga instructor or join a class that resonates with you. Practicing with an experienced teacher can help you understand the techniques and ensure safe progression. Number 2. Create a sacred space. Set up a dedicated space in your home for your Kundalini Yoga practice. Make it inviting, clutter-free, and add elements like candles, incense, or spiritual symbols to create a serene atmosphere. Number 3. Establish a routine. Consistency is key. Set aside regular time for your Kundalini Yoga practice. Start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Number 4. Listen to your body. Kundalini Yoga is a powerful practice, but it's essential to listen to your body and practice at your own pace. Respect your limits and gradually increase intensity as your body becomes more flexible and adaptable. Number 5. Embrace the journey. Kundalini Yoga is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Embrace the process, be patient, and allow yourself to experience the profound transformations that this practice can bring. Congratulations! You now have a basic understanding of Kundalini Yoga. Remember, the journey of Kundalini awakening is unique to each individual. Through consistent practice and dedication, you can unlock your inner power and experience the transformative benefits of Kundalini Yoga. So, why wait? Begin your journey today and embark on a path of self-realization and well-being. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay balanced, stay mindful, and stay connected with Body Sculpt.